In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in the Shopify Dawn theme. Whether you're rebranding your store or simply want to freshen up your website's aesthetic, selecting the right font is key to creating a professional and engaging online presence. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, from the Shopify homepage, you'll need to locate the Online Store section. This area is your command center for customizing how your website looks, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll be directed to the Themes page. This is where we keep all the themes for your store, and it's also where we'll make our modifications. Next, look for the Customize button and click on it. Think of this button as the door to your store's design potential. Clicking on Customize will open up the theme editor, where you'll have the power to change fonts, colors, and other design elements to make your store distinctly yours. Now in the theme editor, you'll see a gear icon. Hover over or click on it to reveal Theme Settings. This area houses options for adjusting the overall style elements of your site. Click on Theme Settings, and you'll be presented with several options. For our task today, the one you're looking for is Typography. Go ahead and click on Typography. This will open up options specifically related to the fonts used in your theme. Once you're in the typography settings, you'll find that you have the ability to change the fonts for either your headings or your body text, or even both. For this example, let's focus on updating the font for the headings. Select the Headings option, and then within that, you'll see a choice labeled Assistant. Click on Assistant to begin editing your heading font. From here, you're now free to choose any font that suits your brand. Shopify offers a wide variety of fonts to select from, so take your time to browse through the options. Consider the tone and vibe of your brand. Is it modern and sleek, or perhaps more traditional and classic? The font you select should align with your brand's personality and message. Once you've found the perfect font, the next step is to lock in your choice. You'll see a Select button. Click on it to confirm your new font. To finalize your changes and apply them to your store, don't forget the all-important Save button. It's located right in the editor at the top of the page. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the font in your Shopify Dawn theme, bringing your website a fresh, new look that matches your brand identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy Shopify tutorials.